थक गई हूँ लेकिन मुझे और ट्राई करनी है ड्रेसेस. It is actually a very it-girl dress. I see something else as well. What is this chunni-like thing? 18 items in this box. In case you're looking to upgrade your summer wardrobe, you are literally at the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Janvi Bhatia and I am back with another Savannah haul. Last time the haul was for 10,000 and this time it's for 25,000. Now I have to give you a disclaimer. I have actually worked with Savannah a long time back and they gave me a coupon of 25,000. So basically I could get anything from a dedicated list that they had made and I could order them but I couldn't return these. So in case I have an issue with any size exchanges or anything that I don't like, I cannot return it to them. So it is not an ad at all because they're not paying me for this and neither is it a barter collaboration. It's literally a coupon that I've received and I have literally spent almost every penny on this. It is huge and I am super excited to open it. In case you're looking to upgrade your summer wardrobe, you are literally at the right place because I've ordered so many summer pieces that I feel I can style so well. So let me just give you a gist. I have actually ordered a lot of dresses, quite a few bags, quite a few accessories as well, and then some tops and pants. So yeah, it's pretty much like a mix of all. I think let's open this package first and then go to this massive package. Oof. Just like last time, I'm also going to rate all of these things on 3 categories. First, quality. Second, the fitting. And the third is the design, look, everything. So the first package. Also, tell me, how do you like the new setup? It's just one corner of the studio that I've actually made till now. So if you're really keen on knowing how to do your interiors, how to build a house from scratch, then you must actually wait for my series because I'm vlogging it all so that you know how you can do your apartment makeover. First thing that I find in this parcel is actually a dress and it is a green dress as we can see. Good, not bad a material. This is how the neckline looks. It's a one shoulder dress and it has like a tie up over here. The thing is not dependent on the tie up. You can tie it however you want to. A sleeveless one shoulder maxi or midi dress, I'm not sure. Let me go and wear it and try it and come. Okay, this actually looks quite interesting. I'm very happy with the dress. It's not the worst quality and it is not the best quality, but it's a good quality piece. Kuch bhi transparent nahi hai. Kapda is not too thick as well. It's apt for summers. I don't really know the prices of all of these things right now because I ordered like a long time back, but I'll mention all the prices right here. And I think it's pretty sick for a dress because it's like sleeveless, very apt for summers, but if you don't like shorter lengths, this is like full length. This is not even like midi, it's a full-on maxi dress. I have to tell you that this is stretchable, so I think it can fit a larger size too. This is also stretchable and I feel like it's a very apt vacation dress. Like if you all are going out in May somewhere with your parents, somewhere with your family also, this is still apt because it's not too much. It is just like a sleeveless thing. Even though it's like a one shoulder, it doesn't look too much of it. Like the cut isn't too low. I mean, I've had one shoulder tops, just my cut is so low that it almost feels a little too naked to go out with the family sometimes. So I feel like this is good coverage on the one shoulder side as well. So overall, I would say it's a good dress. And if you all are looking for one vacation dress, you all should actually keep your eyes on this. But we have a lot more dresses. I think 4 more dresses in this bag, so stay tuned. There are 2 things that we've received. Bracelets! The second item in this haul is bracelets. I told you there'll be a lot of accessories. मतलब इसका quality एकदम expensive नहीं है, cheap भी नहीं है एकदम, but एकदम सस्ता material ही है. मुझे कब से एक ऐसा pearly bracelet चाहिए था पहनने के लिए over my white outfits and I was not able to find it. And I think this is actually very cute. Ooh, this is very cute. Elastic bracelet है तो किसी को भी fit आ जाएगा literally. Next from this छोटू little bag. It's actually really nice. I saw a lot of like these gold clutches and I ordered a few and this is one of them. And I'm not even kidding, this seems sturdy. This doesn't seem like a cheap quality material. This is actually really nice. And it looks aesthetic also. I'm not going to be able to see it, but you see it and tell me how it looks. Is it looking good, guys? Yeah, if you like the gold aesthetic and if you like such buckles, you should definitely get this too. So I'm going to link all of these things in the description. Do go and check it out and add it to your bag. And let's move on to the box. Time to open this massive box. 18 items in this box. I am so glad I got the coupon now. पहली चीज जो मुझे दिख रही है इसमें, this madam is right here. The second dress of the haul is right here. Okay, it's a 2-piece set. So it's a cord set. It's not a dress. And it's basically a cord set and a skirt in this powder blue color that's just soothing to the eyes and so beautiful for the summer. the sage green, the powder blue, butter yellows, and I do have a butter yellow color ka dress as well ordered in this. So I'm gonna go and try this. Just first impressions, this seems like a good quality thing. It has boning inside, so I feel like it'll stay well as a corset. ऐसा मटेरियल का कुछ तो मैंने पहले भी सामान से मंगाया था मेरे लास्ट हॉल में, जो बिल्कुल फेल हो गया. तो I'm hoping this doesn't go fail. I see something else as well. What is this chunni like thing? Is it gonna be like one of those Pooh outfits? Okay. Savannah has truly killed it with this collection. I am shocked at how different my last haul was versus this. Let me first talk about the material and then come to the only main issue that I have with this outfit. The material is not breathable, of course. It's not a cotton or something. I'm not mad about it. The quality is good. It is not at all see-through, which is a really nice thing. The color looks lovely. It's a beautiful powder blue. It actually gives very Pooh vibes. See? And this is the only issue that I'm talking about. The top is a little loose to me. Obviously now it fits well to the point that के एकदम properly मुझे दम घुटने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है. But a corset is made for that. मेरा दम घुटा दो उसमें. मुझे चाहिए वो एकदम fitting वाला finish, and also because it is strapless, right? ऊपर का side है ना वो नीचे बार बार गिरते जा रहा है. I think whenever I wear it, I might safety pin it or I might fashion tape it to a level that at least ये नीचे ज़्यादा ना हो, because don't want to flash people. But yeah, apart from that, I quite do like the corset. Apart from that, I can actually use the corset as it is and pair it up with like white trousers or like white skirts, anything different as well. Maybe I can actually use a skirt too and pair it up with different tops. That's one of the powers of corset, right? You can wear it together and you can wear it separately as well. And for that reason, I will give this look a 8 on 10. This shows that first impression is not the last impression. Now the third dress that I picked up is also blue. Next up is this. This I believe is something that I can wear more casually as well. Summers में तुम्हें और चाहिए क्या? एक nice cute dress that also has a gingham pattern on it. Gingham means plaid. This is a full length piece and this is a mini, so I'm gonna go and try it out. It's also coming with a belt. Let's try it out, shall we? Okay, first things first, impressed. I have found such good pics from Savannah this time. I love these ruffle detailings over here. I love that it's not too short and I love that it's not too long as well. It's also great for all those people who want to go short but want to still wear like a modest dress, because this is pretty modest, right? Like the sleeves are pretty long, it's fully covered and it's not body fit. So yeah, in case you're looking for just an above the knee length dress, I think this seems like a perfect one. I would have loved it way too much if this was a pure cotton dress. As for the belt, I think I like the fact that they've given like a detachable belt and these hoops on the side, because then I can use like different belts. I have like a wide white belt, I have a beige belt, and I think I can like switch around and use fun pieces. I love the print that's going on, I love the flare, I love the fit, and I love the design. Until now, 5 on 5 guys. Good things, I don't have to return any, not like I can either, but I don't have to return anything because everything fits very well. Let's move on to the next piece. I am seeing like a beautiful bag right here. So the first bag of the haul is here. Dun-dun-dun. I don't have this color ka bag and I really wanted one. Okay, it's quite big. I did not expect it to be this big. I love the gold and the burgundy finish look. Looks pretty versatile to me. There's no compartments inside, which is a sad thing because my Chodu bag also literally had compartments. It has one zip which is practically useless because it's that small. Oh, okay, I can set the length of the thingy. Oh, so if I want to use like a slingy thing, then I can pin it up till here. Otherwise, we can go. I think it's a pretty spacious bag. I'm very happy with the kind of space in this. It's a good looking bag. I am definitely sure that I can fit a lot in this. It could actually even fit my chappal. Does it? Does it? Does it? Does it? It's the size of my feet. This is my extra chappal. It's with heels right now, but I would carry like flats, let's say. Let's see if it fits it. It's like upar upar hi hai, but I'm sure if it was flats, it would just directly go in. What more do you want? Okay, now that the first bag is done, yes, you heard it right. I have probably 1 or 2 more bags in the haul. Let's move on to another piece. So what I see right here is another dress. Let's see. Another very cute mini dress. I like that side pleating look a lot, and let's go and try it out. So you can notice already that neckline जो है ये थोड़ा सा लूज है और इधर से स्लीव गिर भी रहा है. I think I'll have to pin it. Otherwise, I think the dress is a little basic, if I'm not wrong. I wish इसका fitting थोड़ा सा better होता. Now I couldn't go one size smaller to fix this because waist से ये ऑलमोस्ट परफेक्ट है इस ड्रेस में एज सच और कुछ नहीं है अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑब्वियसली द स्ट्राइकिंग कलर ये पफ स्लीव्स एंड दैट वेस्ट डिटेलिंग नाउ आई क्वाइट लाइक दोस प्लीट्स नॉट गोना लाई विद स्टाइलिंग इट कैन स्टिल लुक वेरी वेरी नाइस ड्रेस इज लाइक अ 6.5 to 7 out of 10 आई थिंक मैंने नजर लगा दी मतलब बाकी की ड्रेसेस काफी अच्छी थी और ये दिस इज नॉट बैड दिस जस्ट मी बीइंग अ लिटिल nitpicky maybe quality wise this is actually really nice let's move on to the next outfit अब मेरा रेड हो गया मेरा ब्लू हो गया मेरा ग्रीन हो गया है टाइम फॉर yellow in the same fabric as the powder blue one this is also a maxi length dress and this one is also a body fitting one but it is not a cord set it is a dress okay wow it is actually a very it girl dress I love the body hugging look of this I find it very hot yes I might have to wear my shapewear inside because my paunch is coming out I love everything that is sleeveless. I love everything that is like body hugging. And I also really like everything that's like a maxi length because it gives me like the main character vibes. Like if you don't want to wear sequin because that's not the only thing that you wear to a party, you can wear this. It's a stunning dress. It's a stunning dress for birthdays as well. I do like how different the neckline look right here. The inside wala part is like a one shoulder and oh my god, it's hugging you like wow. It's not suffocating at all. I'm just excited to see the next dress. I think it is our second last dress. Next up in this is a printed dress. Finally, after all those solid colors, I think we finally gotten like a nice print. And like a stupid girl, the last print also that I got was in blue and white only. This is again in blue and white, but that is different. This is different again. That is like checks and this is floral. Same material, huh? Same material as this. But this one is slightly different. It's again very appropriate for beach vacations or for like gives very Greece vibes because A, it's the color white and blue. Secondly, it is this. The neckline is very different this time. It's slightly going away from the modest bit, but I still do enjoy it. I might have to cover up with a tube inside if it is a little low because at least for now I don't have the confidence. Let me just go ahead and try this out and see how beautiful this looks. I'm happy that it's maxi. अगर मैं बिना वैक्सिंग के इतनी hot लग सकती हूँ, then why won't I? Wow, I feel like I'm saying that for every dress, but genuinely wow, this is just slightly low, so I don't think I'll have to wear a tube top inside because it has like those adjustable straps. तो मैं बस थोड़ा ऊपर कर लूँगी then I'll be fine. And that's one of the best things that I like because you know कभी कभी वो tube top डालने से थोड़ा सा look खराब हो जाता है ड्रेस का. I don't mind it, but still it would be better if I don't have to use it at all. If you saw the yellow dress, you can see how it falls flat नीचे, but this one is a slight mermaid like look. Okay, it looks like एंड में जाके थोड़ा और ओपन हो गया है वो ए लाइन लुक आ गया है और थोड़े फ्रिली लुक आ गया है seems like a very beautiful dress it is very different from the other ones and it is very summer friendly again it is extremely beautiful I love the fact that I chose this color it came in other colors as well if I'm not wrong also I'm constantly sharing all the prices right here I think this is one of my favorite dresses from the haul again it being white it is not at all see-through the quality is good the fit is good the fit is absolutely beautiful in fact this is what I wanted from the red dress as well the design is superb colors are superb I'm very impressed this was a hugely successful haul I have actually two more dresses one of them is pink and one of them is black we have 1 2 3 tops to wear one yoga pants like one gym workout pants one robe and one bag to try and I think a few jewelry pieces as well so I'm definitely going to make like a part 2 of this because nobody's going to watch like a 1 hour long haul again I'm going to mention link in the description box to everything that I've worn here and I hope I've given a justification about every piece because I've just not spoken about the fitting but also the quality the color the look the design everything I think you've gotten a lot of birthday or like vacation outfit options so in case you're planning one make sure to go to the description box and buy one for yourselves obviously like the video if you do like it okay let's do one thing let's do 100 comments and then I will post a part 2 of the Savannah haul early otherwise it comes in at a later time only so see you in the part 2 don't forget to subscribe bye